Okay, we can start the chapter. Chapter number 3. Let's read and sing. The chapter name is noses. Noses means, everyone knows one important part of our face, not only face, our body also. So we can start the chapter noses. I look in the mirror and I looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. I look in the mirror. When I'm looking in the mirror, I look at my nose. I'm looking in the mirror. At that time, I look at my nose. At that time, I look my nose. It's the funniest thing. It's the funniest. Funniest means humorous or amusing or strange. Whatever you can say. So when I am looking in the mirror, I saw my nose. It is the funniest thing. The way it grows. What is the important? What is the funniest thing means the way it grows. How it was grows. That is the funniest thing. Stuck right out where all of it shows. It is stuck right out. It is stucking on my face and it's right out. It is full of going out where all of it shows. So we can see all the part of nose. So when I'm looking in the mirror, I saw my nose and it is the funniest thing. The funniest thing is the way it grows. And how it was grows? Stuck right out. It is stuck right out on my face and we can see all the part and with the two little holes are there where breathing goes. It was two little, there is two holes also. It is stuck right out on my face and we can see full part of the nose and it is having two little holes. It is two little holes through we can breathe. Through that two holes we can breathe also. I look in the mirror and I saw in there. When I'm looking in the mirror, I saw there the end of my chin and the start of my hair and between there. When I'm looking in the mirror, I saw there. I saw one more thing, the end of my chin. It's end of my chin and start of my hair in between there. And I can see my nose between my chin and start of my hair. Where the start of my hair, that means forehead. In between my chin and forehead. Forehead, the nose was situated. Okay, in between there, we can see our nose. It's much space to spare with my nose. My nose is taking more space like any other things. So I can see it is taking more space like a handle sticking there. It's look like a handle. So when I'm looking in the mirror, I saw one more thing. The nose is situating in between the chin and forehead and it is taking more space to spare like a handle sticking there. Like a handle. It's look like a handle sticking on my face. So where we can see the nose? In between the chin and the forehead. Forehead, forehead. So in between there, the nose is taking more space. It is taking more space and I can see in between chin and forehead and look like a handle. Noses look like a handle. Okay. So it is taking more space also. If ever you want to giggle and shout, you can't think of what to do it about. If any time you want to giggle means laughing gently or high pitched voice. So whenever you want to giggle or shout, you can't think what will happen, what to do about. We can't say about nose. At that time, just look in the mirror. No doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. At that time, you can see how funny your nose. Here funny means amusing. So you can't say, you can see how funny your nose sticks out. So whenever you want to giggle or shout, you can't think. You just look in the mirror. That no doubt you can see how funny your nose stick out. So this all about the chapter nose. And now you can listen the musical part of nose.
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
Funniest,
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 funniest.
stuck right out where all of it shows, with 2 little holes where the breathing goes.
I looked in the mirror, I looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
My nose sticks out like a handle. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair.
I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair.
And between there isn't much space to spare, with my nose like a handle sticking there.
I looked in the mirror, I looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
It sticks out like a
handle.
If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about,
If ever you want to giggle and shout and you can't think of what to do it about,
just look in the mirror and then no doubt you'll see how funny your nose sticks out.
I looked in the mirror, I looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way